Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jennifer and we have another unboxing. I believe this is a ring light that I purchased online from Amazon. And so we're gonna unbox this and I'm sure we're gonna have to put it together. You know, I don't really like reading instructions, but in this instance I'm probably gonna read the instructions and we're gonna put it together. And so this is the newer ring light with extendable tripod. So guys, we're gonna take a look at it, see what's in the box, and we'll put it together and we'll test it out, demonstrate, because I need better lighting. I know that that is an improvement that I could use. So I will be back. Okay, ready for the unboxing. Oh, I think this is a 10 or a 12-inch ring light. Of course, here are the instructions. I am going to look at those, but not right at this moment. Here is the tripod. Has a bag. And I'm going to take a look back. Once I do review the instructions, we'll take a look back at the supplies to make sure that everything that they state is in here is actually in here. Okay, this is the tripod in its bag. This is the remote. It's supposed to be wireless. Camera 360. I believe this would hold your phone. Adjustable. And there's some instructions in here for the tripod, and then there's another adapter or holder for something. We'll figure that out. Then we have the remote control. Red, green, blue, white, flash, strobe, fade, smooth, and it has, I think, 12 colors, 16 colors. And this is our parts list. So we have the light. That was the fold holder. There's a ball head. The C-shaped mobile phone holder. Bluetooth remote control holder, tripod, and storage bag, and the manual. And so this would be maybe this is the phone holder. There it is. Okay. And so we're going to go ahead and assemble this, and I'll be back. Found it. This is the Black Hot shoe ball head with a 1/4-inch screw mount. I'm sure it's for the tripod. I still forgot to put that bar joint on there. I had to take it off and put it back on. Guys, this is the final portion of the video putting together the ring light. This ring light, as I demonstrated, has 16 different shades, color shades that it goes through, or hues. It is already extended to its highest height, right? And you can tell the difference in the lighting from previous videos, okay? And then we also have a dual phone holders, one here in the middle. You can actually adjust this vertically or horizontally. Then we have this one here, which is also on a ball to adjust the direction for a second phone. And of course, this is the ring light here, which is also on a ball for adjustments. You also have more adjustable parts, moving parts here. And I did actually just start the video using the wireless camera shutter. So thus far, I do like it. Now this is a little...
Yeah, I made an
flimsy, I would
adjustment
say.
and everything was just fine afterwards.
Just the ring light itself, but maybe that's what it's supposed to do. Not be too stiff. And then of course this here is the part for the remote for the signal here. So I've already demonstrated the different colors. You can definitely see a difference. And then this will be a new addition to my future videos. Please tell me if you like. Please subscribe and share. And if you have any suggestions or recommendations or any comments, by all means, leave them. Goodbye. Till next time. I am loving the ring light, this newer ring light. It has made a significant difference in just the last few minutes of me setting this up with the assistance of the young folks, my children. They had to help me a little bit put this together. But I love the remote with all the different options here for colors. And then this right here will save me. I can already see it's saving me some time and a little bit of frustration reaching over to the phone, trying to do everything from my iPhone. But I do think this button here actually is for Android phones, and this is for iPhones. Here, this little button here. And it also has an off and on switch, if you can see that right there, because it does run by a battery. Again, it's wireless. It's connected to my phone, of course, which I have set up on the ring light as we are demonstrating our setup here. And tell me what you think. If you can see a difference in this video versus the previous videos that I've done. And if you have any suggestions or any ideas of other videos that you like to see me do. Now that I have a ring light, I feel a little bit more confident in my videos. So, with no further ado, I would like for you to take some time, jump out there, and just try some things that you haven't tried before, because this is going to be, or has been, a fairly exciting adventure. And I think I'll be able to do even more videos now with more content on other things, but I love unboxing. So that is what my focus has been on recently, is unboxing. So I do have another item that I am going to unbox for you, and that is a Cricut machine. Yeah, Cricut machine. And then my heat press, I got an easy heat press also from Michaels. I'm waiting for that to come in the mail. I should have that probably the next few days or so. I'm kind of excited to get that. And there are some other items that I purchased today as well when I went to pick up my curbside order, which, come to find out, really wasn't curbside. I had to go inside, and of course, once I'm in the store, I had to get a buggy after I already had 2 or 3 things in my hand. So, of course, my first stop always is clearance. So we look at the clearance items first to see what we could find. Everything I purchased actually was on sale, but we'll have to talk about that on that video. Thanks for watching. Lights on, lights off. Like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, guys. Bye.